starting up P1.
There's a big ice coming down.
So we're following in the footsteps of something. I can't tell if it's a dog or a cat. To be honest, I'm really hoping it's a dog. Because if that's a cougar, you know?
We are out here.
Yeah, we're fighting for our life with these ice axes if that's a cougar. I think it's a little small to be a cougar though, but they go right ahead of Liam here.
You can feel that way.
Yeah. This is our probing stick where we're trying to feel for where the trail is. Nothing here. No. I think you got the way with you there. Almost 4 hours of arduous post-holing up this trail has gotten us within sight of our objective. Whew. There is our first pitch on the beautiful Storm Mountain outlier.
Fuck, mate. She's been an absolute killer.
I agree.
Dude, we've actually done pretty good progress though. Like, to think that we were way down there and it's been like pretty suboptimal conditions, we've done pretty well.
Yeah, for all the trail breaking we did. You're right.
Like, there were some terrible sections, man. But we're not through it yet.
Let's keep trucking along.
Bro, I'm not even kidding. What I'm walking into is like chest high.
So I just came up this, which was an absolute battle, like waist to chest deep snow wallowing. I told Ethan to get up down there because there isn't a great platform here. I kicked out a bit of a seat for my bag, which I'll sit on soon. At the bottom of P1, looking up on the side of the f***ing mountain.
Ethan starting up P1. Here he goes. Yo.
Oh, man. Before I burn into this, do you want to give me a take here on this screw? I'm just going to rest my legs a little.
Mainly the just cold hands and the calves.
Actually, when I stand up straight, it's the thighs that start to like cramp up almost. Yeah, dude, I don't know if I'm feeling it. Maybe you should give it a go.
That's okay. I'm not, yeah, you don't have to push yourself.
Okay, yeah, I might down climb here a little. All right, you can lower.
I think my game plan is I'm going to get up to where those screws are.
Yeah.
Just push it out.
For sure. Yeah, it just feels like my legs are just ready to freaking seize up.
Yeah, like we just did a 4.5 hour approach.
Yeah. Whew. Okay.
That was a
Fucking valid effort, bro.
Thanks, man. I'm excited to see what you think.
Yeah.
All right, man. You're on belay.
Cool. Come on.
That's crazy. That's shit.
Yeah, nice.
There's a big eye coming down.
Oh, yeah, I'm good. Liam just made it to the top of pitch 1.
So you might see one of the quick throws on the way up and I dropped the line.
It went like 300 feet past me at the belay. It's all good.
Hanging out in the freaking Alpine.
Wait. You. 4.5 hours of trudging for one pitch. I guess you had good trust in that Vita in the end.
Oh, yeah. Well, we made it off the mountain. And that concludes our little misadventure today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.